Okay, plan for the afternoon. We're gonna try and find an ATM. I guess there's just one over at the market. So we're going to snack and drink our way to the market.
You want more bug spray or sunscreen?
I just put on more bug spray, especially because I changed my clothes. I didn't put on sunscreen yet.
I would be a crisp. Google Maps in other countries.
Oh, it's hard to get a hold of where you're walking. This is where the skaters are.
Oh. Yeah.
It looks like the strings. So neat.
Oh. Good path choice, Roy. Oh, that would be a scary stumble. Back away.
I was like, I'm not stumbling that way. I'm going to
The couple we were on the cooking tour with said they went to the monkey sanctuary and that it was fantastic. And that the when they weren't humping, they were really tame. Yeah, I'm still not sold on it though. Oh yeah. Really? Now that we're sweating to death. Did we miss just a turn? Well, it said center.
Oh yeah, look at the big caterpillar.
Where? I think that's a millipede. Yeah, that's lovely. Oh, so cute.
So tiny.
I love squirrels.
I wonder how many jackfruits fall and kill people. That would hurt way more than a coconut, I think. Although maybe.
You guys see the bridge over that side? I wonder if that leads to the hotel ring.
Oh, fuck. Ay, ay, ay.
There's a Kubu Ting Ting. Yeah, according to this, we're in the middle of the rice field.
Oh, it's a lovely rice field. Hello. Hi. Just want to dunk my feet in it. Just think what would happen if there was an earthquake right now. These walls would just clap together.
Right now.
We would be so smashed.
We would just be holding ourselves in place.
Let it
Wow.
happen, please. Stop, please. Oh, look at the scarecrow out there.
Looks like an army guy. Oh, there's the bank right there. Okay, ATM mission has been completed, and now we are looking for a nice little spot to have a drink, maybe a snack, because it's hot. It is so hot, and I'm sweating.
It's really, really nice here. Enjoy it. It's really nice just like getting to know the locals. Except for the very sweaty part, because everybody else here doesn't sweat.
They got
They're very used to it.
Right down here.
Right into the bag for later.
You can see
Normally it doesn't backfire like that. Refreshing, really.
All right, where are we headed after this, Roy? Are you just so flabbergasted?
No, this is where we're hiking up.
This is the future.
All right.
Cool.
Okay. Yeah, she did say, go that way.
Yep. That's what this says.
What do you think, dog?
It says, yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's follow Gary.
His name's Gary.
Now named Gary.
He went around and he ate all
Oh,
the
look at
snacks
him.
out of the
Yeah.
offerings.
Oh, there's so many.
So he's the,
I like the ones with the little Ritz crackers. Those make me happy.
See you later, Gary.
So cool. Look at these stupid flowers. So cool. Oh, and I can reach.
He's like, let me show you my my island. Smell this.
oh, look at this little
Make sure you
puppy
pee
dog.
on that plant.
Eva?
Huh?
Oh no!
Oh
You don't know.
no.
No.
He's
Nope.
following us.
We don't know.
Ah.
That for a second.
Oh, but this is the.
But yeah, so then they run out. But I mean, you think it's just like wheat, just the same as wheat. Hi. Oh, funny.
Ooh, yeah, little chunks of rice. Oh, how neat. Oh, God. Ooh, Gary.
I just put my whole body into that. Like, yeah, there's so many ants. Did I get any on me? Look at.
Oh, God, I have so many on me.
No, you don't.
You get them all?
You didn't have any on you.
Oh,
I think I was just too close.
oh God, yes.
Look at how beautiful they are.
So many ants.
Yeah.
Oh,
know.
Gary.
He's got stuff all over his face. He knows how to
Rock
get rid of it.
trumpets? Oh, that's not everything. Clock vines. Clock eyes.
Clock?
Clock vine.
Roy and Gary have given up on us. We're on our own. Roy and Gary, the random dog, are on an adventure together.
He's replaced us.
We'll see you guys when you're done. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's where we're
Yep. We've been
Yep.
replaced. Good luck, Gary. Enjoy your dinner.
And look at all this. This is how it is after they plucked it.
Oh, yeah, put it back in.
Oh my God, look at
You
him.
can see him doing it right there.
Oh, yeah,
Neat.
he's killing it.
Neat.
Comes by, he tries to grab that and just tosses it.
Splat. I just fall in face first.
Oh, or you go like.
God, that's gotta be hard work.
Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, look at this. People that are not fat people here.
Yeah.
Look at these ones over here. Happy little trees.
Do you just place them once? You think? Because it looks like they're growing out of the old carcasses.
Well, I imagine it's just like hay, right? Like,
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that's the seed. Grass is the same way. You pull the same grass.
Yeah, what is this?
Ooh, that's a
Caterpillar?
millipede.
God, it looks like a fast worm.
But it's got the layered terraces all the way down the valley.
Yeah, that's what I want to see.
It's over that way. If you had your drone, you could like fly from here to that way and you'd see it. This pathway goes back for a ways.
You almost got a bird.
It'll happen.
Remember what they are.
Are they?
Look at the yellow head. The one.
Oh, are they egrets?
Yeah, look at the yellow head egret.
God, I love egrets. They're so derpy. The derpiest of all the birds. Look at these babies. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Eva, there you go. There's the terrace.
Yeah, I see it.
And then the large.
Beautiful. Perfect walk.
Pretty long. Pretty blue tag. I don't know what to call it. Color on the left.
I wish I would have brought my binoculars.
You mean like the ones in my bag?
Do you have them with you? Oh, yeah. Another UNESCO World Heritage Site crossed off the list. Oh, I love egrets.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, oh,
What?
I love it. I just love it. She's so cool.
Up, scooter. Trying to get a picture of.
I got him flying, but it's okay.
No. They have their own little paddy field.
Oh, look at how cute. What a cute little spot.
Alright, I'm gonna do a runner snot.
Oh,
That's better. You got that on video? Sometimes. That was magical.
The dance of moths.
All the butterflies came together and they were like, look at us dance together. It's like some Disney stuff. Moana who? Hi.
Oh, hi, Joe.
Good,
Good,
how are
how are
you?
Good.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Eva, I like how you had your, like, you know, the old computer with the thinker.
I know, I have to process, I can't.
oh no, that's fine.
It's so cool. It's just so neat.
Jenny, here's your.
There's the cable.
Yeah.
Also, oh yeah, and also the spider that's in the cabling.
Is that a frog?
I think so.
Do you get that other something?
Mm-hmm.
What's this?
Yeah, that's pretty.
One's calling. That's a frog. There's two right here. I like they're laughing. It's us, frog form.
Yeah.
We're gonna get stuck in the rice paddies in dark. Oh boy. Our fearless leader brought a flashlight. Thank God. Oh yeah, this is where the ducks were.
All I smell is straight alcohol. It's under the beer.
That is not beer. It almost tastes like homemade.
Yeah.
Like, you know, the cider funk? I don't know. I can always taste like our homemade cider has like a similar funk to each other. And
That's it. You go whoops it off the.
Yeah. He does. The thought of it is. Took another sip for seconds, just to double check.
Yeah, you gotta drink it 3 times, Eva.
Yeah.
Just to make
No,
sure.
you go ahead.
No,
You have to try something at least twice. Once
yeah.
to say you don't
Come
like it, second to confirm.
Yes.
And then third
according-
time to establish the pattern.
Yeah.
Yes.
Didn't even
Yeah.
taste it.
No, she got it to her lips.
We didn't
so
get
she got to
her
try it.
reaction yet.
Yes.
Here, I could do a play-by-play
No, you can't.
from what it was. It was this.
All right, let's
just
see
like
how accurate that was. Now, try again.
I tried it.
It's gonna be one of these.
All right, let's see.
But you number one, you can
believe
do
in
it, and
you.
number two, it would get you there right now.
Yeah, Roy.
You'd be good
want
and saucy before the mail even got
I'm
here.
crawling into bed with you tonight.
Do it.
Me
Come on.
too.
Oh Lord.
Slam that, and then go turn on the AC.
Yeah. If he won't drink it, that's not good.
It's not good.
It makes my beer taste bad.
Oh no, oh no. That's right. Well, now we know.
It makes the water-
Arak, A-R-A-K.
Should we
Iraq.
get into the menu and scratch out from beer and say this is not beer?
No.
That's
Got
what
a
I was.
marker.
That's